In today's lesson, we're going to connect our PyWebIO app to a real-world API to build a simple weather checking tool. Yes, with just a few lines of code, we'll get the current weather for any city you enter. Let's see how it works. In the getWeather function, we first ask the user to enter a city name using PyWebIO's input function. Then we use the wtr.in API by building a URL with that city name. The format 3 at the end makes sure the result is short and clean, just one line with the weather status. We send a GET request using the requests library and get the response as plain text. Finally, we use putText to display that weather information right on the page. All right, let's run the Python file now. Once you start the file, a local web address will be shown in your terminal. Open that address using any web browser. You'll be asked to enter a city name. Type 1 in, hit the button, and boom, the weather for that city will be displayed instantly. You can try different cities as many times as you want. That's it for this video. If you're enjoying the series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when the next lesson drops. See you in the next one.